welcome to Wonders LED Lighting World. My channel is mainly talk about LED lighting and how to find a good supplier in China. Today in this video, I would like to show you different LED cone bulb. What's the fixtures for each cone bulb and their application. Generally speaking, LED cone bulb is for traditional HID replacement. You can see here. This is Philips Song 115 wattage, and this cone bulb is to replace the traditional HID. Anywhere existing the metal halide lamp, high pressure sodium lamp, you can use the LED cone bulb to replace. But please pay attention to choose the right cone bulb for your application and the different fixtures. So let me introduce one by one for our cone bulb. Here you can see this is 15.4 wattage LED cone bulb. It's 316 degree beam angle and chips on the button. Normally used for garden lighting and some countryside road. The lumen can reach to 15.4 wattage. Lumen can reach to 7,000 lumen. The installation height normally 3 to 4 meters. So when we sell a lot of cone bulbs on the market, we also give some feedback from the customer. They want to use LED cone bulb for street lighting replacement. So they have high requirements for the lumen and the size. That's why we design this cone bulb. The size is much smaller. This is 18 wattage. The lumen can reach to 12,800 lumen, and the efficiency is 116 lumen per watt. We use Philips chips, and also it has chips on the button. But this cone bulb size is much smaller than this one. You can see here. Yeah, this is 15.4 wattage, and this is 18 wattage. The diameters for 15.4 is 19.3, but the diameter for 18 right now is only 17 millimeter, and the height is 205 millimeter. It's very close to the traditional one. You can see that the size is almost the same. So you can use this cone bulb for any different fixtures, no matter the fixture size is very limited. As time passed by, customers had more requirement for the LED cone bulb and a high requirement for the lighting distribution. So we designed this one to solve the lighting distribution problem. This cone bulb lighting distribution is almost lighting 5% close to the traditional one. If you are doing business for the LED, please subscribe my channel, and Wanda would like to show more LED cone bulbs for you. Thank you so much for your watching today.